Rev it up, feel the power, gas it loud, let's ride this hour. In the shadows of the mountain, freedom's where we find our sound. Four-wheel drive, let's hit the road. Through the forest, off the coast, 440 beats beneath the hood. That big block Chrysler working good. Trotting rocky terrain beneath the blazing sun. Adventure calls, we're on the run. In this 1978 Dodge brave and bold, let the tales of our journey unfold. Pull the wheel, feel the strain, embrace the thrill, forget the pain. The rusted trails whisper our name, taking us close to wild, untamed. With dirt and grit beneath our feet, side by side, it's time to grieve. Fourtress adventurer, we dare to roam. Every wild turn we claim as home. With the engine roaring, hear us shout, fill his hearts with a spirit that won't die out. We'll conquer the hills and the valleys deep, the roads infused with memories we keep. Fourtress adventurer, hold on tight, together we'll chase the fading light. Climbing high, fear takes hold, yet with every pulse our stories unfold. Through dust and mud we laugh and run, in this adventure we've already won. Side by side we chase the thrill, adrenaline rushing, hearts that never chill. Bound together we'll face the fight, our fortress strong, ready for the night. Let the fear take a backseat, we're ready to glide. In this fortress of metal we take pride. Every bump, every jump, every scar we share is a memory made, a moment rare. The wind in our hair, the stars up ahead, under the cosmic sky, nothing more to dread. So here's to the adventure.